We've got some wet weather on the way, to say the least. KCAL News meteorologist Paul Deanno back now with your next weather.
Hi, Leslie. Yeah, the rain begins tomorrow, and it's going to be light to moderate rainfall. A lot of people have a lot of flooding concerns, and for very good reason. Those flooding concerns will be higher or highest on Thursday and Thursday night. They're not there tomorrow. So lighter rain falls tomorrow. Flooding is not expected. Then we get a soaking rain during the day on Thursday. Flooding begins to increase. Highest flooding concerns Thursday night. That's when a front's going to come through. Just a garden variety, strong front, a lot of rain. That's going to bump up the flooding concern to the highest level we've seen in about a year here in Southern California, especially considering we have so many burn scars. Why do we care so much about that? Because the soil acts like a sponge. It absorbs a lot of water. When you have a fire, that ability to absorb the water stops. So now you have all of this debris, you have all of this burnt soil, which immediately becomes runoff, which basically turns into mud. And you can see with gravity, that can cause a big time problem. Saw it in Santa Barbara several years ago. We have the risk of that, not a guarantee, but the risk of that at all of our burn scars Thursday morning through Friday morning. How much rain are we talking? The global forecast model, one of two long-range models we look at, says about 1.5 inches of total rainfall for LA, more than 2 inches for the Inland Empire, more than 3 inches for the foothills and the mountains. European forecast model, which nailed last week's weather, says even more than that. 2.5 inches for LA, 3 for the Inland Empire, and 3 to 6 inches of rain in the mountains. That would be more than enough to cause flooding concerns. No rain today. Just some clouds looking north from Blue Ridge Mountain. Not that warm of a day, but you're getting a good dose of sunshine. Ontario, 60 degrees, 8 degrees below average. Here is the plume of moisture now moving into Northern California. You can trace it all the way back to north of Hawaii. This is the juiciest storm hitting us since the first week of February of last year, more than a year ago. None of it today. Partly cloudy this afternoon. Lighter rain tomorrow. What do I mean? Shades of green, lighter precipitation moving through tomorrow, and frankly, not that much. Let's look at Thursday. Thursday, we're looking at heavier rain, the yellows, the oranges. This is 10 o'clock in the morning. This is 4 o'clock in the afternoon. We got some reds now. That's some really heavy stuff. This is 7 o'clock, still pouring, not moving out until 10 or 11 o'clock Thursday night. It is going to pour on Thursday. Thursday is the day of highest concern. Friday, the rain tapers off. The weekend looks dry. Today's dry, but that's a pretty impressive storm heading our way. Flood watches are in effect for Thursday. Leslie, back to you.
Thanks so much. That's a lot of rain. We want to get you prepared.
Now you can get your KCAL news, weather, and live stream all in one place on the CBS News app. Download it free today.